Hello viewers, how are you? I'm very fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am here to show how to make tea with milk in a very shortcut process, and it will be very tasty, I think, when you use it. Firstly, I mix all the things which are needed, and first I add some sugar, chili, milk and fresh water. Then I keep it on the gas stove. When it is boiled, that time I keep it with a spoon. After some time, I will add some condensed milk. It's very simple way. Actually, when I make tea, that time I always try to add 1 spoon coffee with tea. You will feel a different taste. Making tea mixed with coffee is going to be ready. Every tea lover will enjoy to watch this video. Hey viewers, my tea is already ready. Now I will pour it in the cup.